Hi, I'm Jason with ExpertVillage.com. We're going to now attach our bone handle to the dresser drawer. I'm just going to stick it in. I've already bent the nail. With my fingers on the bone and the pliers, I just simply twist. We already bent the nail, so it twists pretty easy, and then give it a couple of quick taps. I got a hammer. A couple of taps. Okay, and it's it's not quite attached yet. And it's attached, somewhat. There it goes. And it's attached. It's a little bit loose, but that way you can still pull out on it and pull the drawer open and shut.